Mashabiki na a Kenya ona nginya aini ni mashakaite two sad tragedies that happened na unfortunately they both happened on the same day, na imwe yayo ni mutino wa ngari uria ukuruhanite muini wi ngumo na wi gatu muno in the Kikuyu gospel industry. Mutino uratigite aingi maukite na mena kimako but magicokeria Ngai ngatho ni kuhonokia muini uyu, na oho ndeto ingi yakiana ina ruo muno ni kuria mumemerekia wi ngumo muno urikitie kuhuruka, and he was one of Kenya's best and top TV journalists weird in the country. Na a Kenya thutha gukorwo makimenya ati he is gone, he is no more, he said to have passed away while undergoing treatment, ni undu uramatigire marituhirwo muno. Mike Oyer, former KTN News anchor, no urikitie kuhuruka. His death shocking so many, the entire media fraternity being sent into tragic mourning, na aigi ao magikiuria why is it that aria ega no makuaga tondu magikiuga they didn't even get a signal or even a sign that Michael would leave them this soon, na makimucakaya na ruo runene muno ona nginya family na arata aria a Kenya momireirie na njira nene muno ihinda-ini riri ritu. Na Michael is said to have suffered a stroke, and this according to KTN News. Aligo marakorio makirekereria nenda-ini yao atima former KTN anchor Mike Oyer dies after suffering a stroke, na our deepest condolences to family ya Michael Oyer and the entire TV and media fraternity goko bururi-ini. It is a huge loss. A great soul has rested. Rest in peace, Michael Oyer. Na riu kuriete another sad news iria ratigite mashabiki na aini mahaukite na makiyumiria na njira nene muno expressing their sadness, no magikena kumenya ati muini Charles King'ori is well, and this after he suffered a road accident. Na Charles King'ori no rakorirwo akigira nenda-ini yake and shared the sad news, no agikiuga niona guoko kwa Ngai muturire-ini wake tondu this could have been worse, but he came out unscathed. Ni mugima ndagurarite no akionania ngari yake how badly wrecked it was. Ino ari ndomereri arakorirwo akirekereria akiuga riu nie njoke njuge atia ni wega Ngai ni mweke ugi, and he shared this photo. As you can see, this is his car, and indeed Ngai no ramuhonokirie. Na a Kenya na aini na fans othe makiyumiria a Mary Lincoln othe magikenerera undu uyu gukorwo ati he is well, na guti andu agurarite na magikumithia mitino ino ya barabara, but mostly thanking God for saving Charles King'ori's life. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.